Gordons Bay is a harbour town situated 50 km from Cape Town. It's the smallest of three towns, namely itself, Somerset West and Strand. Together, these three make up the Helderberg. The family-friendly Bikini Beach is one of Cape Town's 6 blue flag beaches. Blue flag indicates high level of water quality, facilities, cleanliness and safety. Its waters are usually warm, calm and clear. The name Bikini Beach came from the many students who visit from nearby Stellenbosch University. The beach also offers a breathtaking view on a clear day of False Bay that can be seen in the distance. All in all, the beachfront has loads to offer visitors, with local shops, restaurants and pubs in close proximity. The locals are friendly and helpful and will gladly assist with directions to good food and drink. The town is named after Robert Jacob Gordon, a Dutch explorer. The older part of Gordons Bay is host to the South African Naval College, a training centre located in the Old Harbour. Above the harbour, on the mountainside is a giant anchor and the letters GB. Many think that it stands for Gordons Bay. In fact, it stands for General Botha, which was the original name of the naval station in town. The Steenbos Dam, Cape Town's primary supply of drinking water, is located on the mountainside above the town. thank you so much for joining me on my short journey through Gordons Bay today. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe for any future videos. Ciao!